Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to transfer money from bank to a Venmo account. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along, and this will be on the Venmo application into your device. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the Me icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the gear icon on the top right, and from there just simply go ahead and select a payment method. So guys, just simply add your bank, and once you are done, just simply go ahead and go to the Me icon again on the bottom right, and in the Venmo balance, just simply tap on manage. It will be a blue icon, and from there a pop-up will show up, and just simply tap on add money. And from there guys, you will have two options. You will have an instant, which is a $500 per week, or you can go for standard, which can have a much larger amount, but remember that it will take a few days to receive it. So from there, once you have selected what you prefer, just simply go ahead and provide the amount and select next. And from there guys, you should be able to see your bank. So just simply go ahead and select, and once you are done, just simply tap on add now button. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Venmo, and thanks for watching. See ya.